Let's cleanse this house energy. Let's remove all that negative, stagnant energy. Let's start from the entrance of your house. Just simply visualize, feel that it has been cleansed with all the positive energy. Now, let's go inside the house. Let's do all the cleansing from all the rooms. Living room, study room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, garden, driveway, room in the garden. If you have few floors, all the floors, feel every corner of your house being cleansed, being cleaned. Let's remove all that energy which doesn't serve us, which doesn't help us. Let's go to that bathroom, that study place. Feel the energy shifting. Feel the energy moving. Feel it. You can play this video daily for your house cleansing, for your house cleaning, and to raise the vibration, to raise the energy of this place where all the souls who are here, who can flourish, who can be happy, who can live their life peacefully. Isn't that the goal of our life? The place which I call house, home. Let that place, that energy be cleansed, be flourished, be energized. Make sure you comment that how did you feel when you started the video? Could you feel the shift in the energy? Once we do this cleansing with the dhoop, we'll be doing cleansing with selenite, and then we'll put tons of love with a beautiful pink rose quartz. Tons of love. But definitely make sure you let me know how did you find till now. Could you feel the difference in the energy of people, in yourself? Getting all the areas of your house cleansed, your storeroom, your study room. Let's clear out whatever doesn't serve us, all that negative energy, all that negative emotion, all those arguments, stagnant, dull, lifeless energy. Let's bring some life to the house, shall we? Okay, we'll be starting with the selenite. Again, from the entrance of your house to all the rooms, let selenite clean that energy, cleanse that energy, remove that negativity, remove that stagnancy, that overwhelm, that crying, that frustration. You can put even the intention in your mind. This is a beautiful prayer I would like to say for the house. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. Feel the energy shifting. Feel the positivity coming. Feel the abundance flowing in your house. Let this be a place where people grow mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. Now, after this selenite beautiful wand, let's put lots of love. Lots and lots of love to this house. Shall we? Okay. How did you find this video? Let me know in the comments. And for the best result, keep playing this video daily. You can put it on a full volume or a low volume. This will work anytime you play this video. Let this rose quartz send you tons of love, positive energy in your house. Let all the house areas, all the corners of your house be filled with love, abundance, happiness, joy. And guess what? I have got amazing, beautiful, lovely rose quartz with me. I'm just sending. This is too heavy for me to hold, but I just want you to feel the energy of this. This is sending you tons of love for your house. Honestly, it's so heavy. Wow. Thank you for receiving this love energy. Thank you so much. It's so heavy. Okay. And we'll complete this session with sound healing. May your house be blessed with abundance, tons of love, tons of positivity. Thank you so much.